Every know the Dan, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know. Right now, me are
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
On YouTube, you know. Come in, say YouTube, that tube, and such tube. Yo.
Yeah. Chaddy, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploding right now.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Well, go on people, it's been a while, but me don't tell you to send me up on a vacation. Thank you all of my new subscriber them. Big up on yourself. What day me hit 1,000 subscriber. And right now that mean the world to me. But you know what I gonna mean more to me? When we hit 5,000 subscriber, it's just around the corner. We know say we are gonna get there, we are gonna do it. But right now more have to cut my vacation little to talk about that little incident here when me encounter with last night involving Versi, the road carver, and SUPA hype. Yeah, you know what that selector there. Security! Call security! Yeah, that same hombre there. One little styling go on, I don't know if I'm me alone a preacher styling, but to me, it was a styling. And people, I'm so sorry I don't have the clip for show no. Me link everybody. Me link the people in my response for media at the party, meaning videos and picture. And them never seem to get the clip. Them say, yo, them did outer the event outside. Me don't know what them did outer do or do. I make me don't get my video. But am my fault because me have the GoPro in a me hand and just fi click record. Me make the moments slip past me. But we're gonna talk about it right now. But before we go in it, before we start talk about that part there, me have to play that song here from Versi. Since we are talking about Versi, Kawa, I love it. I like it. I love it. I like it. That sound weird, no? Anyway, here it is.
Yeah, no, them do can't face me, you know, dog. It's like me is numb to them. When I hear them, them sell me out, but that a never nothing to me. But family, them a never nothing to me. One door close and next one help me for me. Yo, need and me say me feel like, say me just a live me real life. If them feel like, them a go stop me, they must be living in a dream life.
So people, that song was called Sacrosanct, and I hope me pronounce it right because I don't know warm to them artists here. I give the title of the song them some big name we can't pronounce. Anyway, still, I'm here alone. Feel like, say a popcorn in my talking on the party. But me I go review that song there at a later date. So now me I go tell you about the little styling we're going on January Star. Me still feel a way for now the clip for show no go on. But me know say everybody will listen to the Chaddy channel. Them have a trust and ratings for me. So if you tell them say I saw it go, them I go believe say I saw it go. Even though if me did have the video to illustrate it more, it would have look more believable or you would have more understand what me I say. But let me go into the story right now. So I was at this party last night. It's called In the Street, you know what I mean? Keep a Port Antonio smacking at the middle of the town, right under the clock. But you know literally the party keep under the clock. So SUPA hype was the top name selector along with other Portland selector, you know, man like Bigger 5 and Sanjay, youngest and the baddest. Yo, them you them bad people, no need to check out them you there. If you don't have a party, I don't want to the party come shut up, book them you there. Anyway, still me. So SUPA hype a select and it will go on good. You see me? The youth a shoot, a shell it down. But you know, SUPA hype, you're not going to expect nothing less. You see me? So, him a go on good and him go so booms and go family. We say family. Yeah man, him go family. Panic cotton swab rhythm. You see me? And him never play wanted. So Versi start preem now, and apparently he never know say Versi in the party. Well, me a speculate cause me did there from a distance, and me never see Versi in the party neither. So me just a say probably him never see Versi in the party. You see me? Go around the versatile pan that redeem there right now and don't play wanted. You know what I mean? So after him go around the cotton swab, he go so booms. and play Bulletproof. And if you who don't know which Papi the Pam or which song the Pam Bulletproof, other tune where Papi sing say, me no carry feelings, me carry me gun them. Me carry me gun them, me no carry feelings. You see me? And him get a big forward this again. And the crowd are real. And then him go some booms and find the Jaffra span the rhythm. You see me? Jaffra the man find pan the rhythm, you know. You see it? And we all know the Jaffra will go so. No, we know you know what I mean, I could have that them are publishing ugly, and you see me? And the crowd real. So everybody ears and eyes open and listen for the versatile panda rhythm there. I father gotta watch over me. So none of them boy they want to see me then. You see me? So when the people have never hear the song they know, and during the whole of them song playing there, in big up Squash. And you know say Squash come from way down. I'm part down a mobile. You see me? And a Portland, me tell you say the party I keep. You see me? In big up Squash. Play couples, he must play about 3 squash or 2 squash back to back. You see me? And the point where me I get to is why you go so booms and in a man hometown way super hype. You can look for me and tell me say you don't know say a Portland versatile forward from. And super hype, you can tell me say you don't know them 2 tunes they me I tell you about, because a 2 a Versi big song them between last year and this year, especially Wanted. You see me? So oh you go forward in a the man hometown, Zane, and now play the man music. And people, don't get me wrong, this is not a bad up to any selector. I say yo, once you need to play a man a specific artist song, because me rate the artist, yeah, me rate versatile, but you have to understand say versatile is a Portland artist. Just like oh you can't go Mobile and don't play a Rigging King, and you can't go Mobile and don't play a Squash and a Shaney and the whole of them artists, the TG. You can't come Portland or you can't wifey come channel. You can't forward Portland and don't play a Versatile and don't play a Benson and you don't play a Fire Dukes. Even Chronicler, you can't forward them ends here and don't play them artists you can way. You in a demand them own ground. And knowing say Versatile was at the party. I know say me have a feeling say dog, no say Versi did it. But a speculation. Whether you know say Versatile did that in the party, yes or no. You can't afford a Portland dog and don't play a Versatile. And it's not like say it never in a your set where you could have go so booms and play the Versatile. It's not like say yo you never go up on the rhythm where Wanted the pan. You never play a Cotton Swab. You never play a Bulletproof. You see me? For we say yo it all go way out of your juggling. You see me? Any selector we listen this or anybody we follow up the music, no say a real talk me make. So Versatile step to him. And Versatile right for step to him. So Versatile step to him and take with the mic and say yo, imagine you in a my place and you not play Versatile. So out of port you go play Versatile. And I feel say Versatile is right for step to him, because pretty brother. If you're there Portland and you not play one Versatile, and when you're there Kingston you go play one Versatile, and when you're there Mobile you go play one Versatile, and when you're there a foreign you go play one Versatile. You see me? And you need to stop growing artists yo, because the artists are bad. I'm gonna feel like say the artists here get the strength when they deserve. Me did do a review earlier on, but me I go link it in the description and in the comment card above as well. Because Versatile is one of the most underrated artists in the dancehall. Versatile is one of the most underrated artists in Jamaica. You see me? So him never really take it no way still when Versatile step to him. Versatile just step to him and make him know himself and say, yo, you know what say. Him never do it in a disrespectful way. Even though probably super hype see it as a disrespect, him never really do it in a disrespectful way. Versatile just step to him and say, you can't in a my town and don't play one Versatile. So out of port you go say it. You go play it. You see me? And then him sing a intro about 2 songs. He never do no performance. You see me? He just sing them about 3 songs. Him sing 3 card man and the one with the pan is Scott Swab and the next song. You see me? And make him know say Versatile fans there. So you see when Versatile take the mic and start DJ that way there, and Versatile say yo, all who say road carver, all who say the carving, say carvings. The whole crowd say carvings. You see me, and just show him say yo, my fans them there and my fans them want hear Versi. And then the man go play one Versi where me nah say is not a good Versatile, but it's not one of Versatile's stronger song. Because one big song the dep on the rhythm will overshadow it. You see me? He go play a Versatile with upon the Riking King rhythm we say tough. Girl, I say the thing tough. You see me? He play one Versatile of one song pan it. Right now, me never to remember it. It's not a hit song, it's not a big song like that. So, what you do? Right there, so. If you play that song that you know say a crowd now go react like oh him did depend the mic a while ago talk to try style what the man. So pipe. Know what you do youth. You see me? Yeah, youth I'm rate. And you say security. But anyway, people, me they talk too long. So tell me what you think in the comment section. Make me know if a fool in this Chaddy Maria talk. Make me know what your thoughts. You see me? Make me know if you no rate Versatile. Just make me know in the comment section. And people who know are going good with the 1.1k subscriber. You see me? So it's a good look. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And I'm out.
Them friend are tricky like a trick yard man. Them no real yeah man. If them real I must see real carbon. Them will sell it for the cheese yeah man. They leave yeah man. Them want put their 6 feet on the land.